Hi, it's T. In this video, I'll be showing you how to import Excel files into our studio, or you could call it readxl files. So the first way is to readxl. If you don't have the package, you have to install packages and then readxl. Then you have to library the package once it's installed. Then you have to find the link for your data and then copy path readxl, paste it into this readxl, and then highlight, run, and then your database is in our studio. And the other way using base R is read.csv, and this way you don't need to install any packages or library anything. You just have, this is what I want to call my database, read.csv. I'll show you how to get it now. So essentially, there's my rainfall data. I go right click, highlight, right click, copy as path, and then paste it in. And then you have to have double dashes. It copies with just one, but you just have to make sure you have double. And then you, same as before, highlight, then run. See, I even forgot one. There's a good example. Just make sure you have it all in, and then run, and that's in R now. And that file is an Excel file that is saved as a CSV. Excel files can be saved that way, but if you want to use the other method or vice versa, you could just, when you're doing a save as, you could just change it here to Excel workbook, and then you can use the readxl, or you could go the other way around and change it to, if you don't want a library or install any packages, change it to CSV. I don't really like changing the format of databases. I like reading them in as is, because changing could lead to more transformations that have to be done afterwards, or less. But anyways, that's for another video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.